Welcome to day 4 of 30 days of pattern drafting. In today's video, we shall be learning how to draft the pattern for this dress. So this is our basic dress block, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create our neckline. So I'm just going to go down by say 2 inches from my basic dart, from my initial neckline. I would increase the width of my neckline, probably even leave it like that, but let's add half an inch like so. Next I'll do is I would connect like this to create our new neckline. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a line from the waistline here to this point, and from this point to this point. Next, we're going to cut the waist at the waistline like this. We'll slash it open. And this time around, we're cutting off everything completely. So this is our bottom and this is our top. We're going to close this dart at this point here. That's the straight side dart, and then we'll open up this dart. So all we'll do is we'll slash this line to the bust area like this, and then we'll slash this line as well. So now we have slashed this line. Now we're going to rotate it, this dart, and as you can see, we have opened the dart at this point. Now, still on this new dart we are creating, we'll go on and then slash this line, then close up this dart here by rotating it to this point. As you can see, we have now successfully created a new dart here, and we have added to the width of this dart. We're now going to slash this line to the dart area, like we'll slash to this point, and then we'll slash this dart. Like, and rotate it. Month of July, I shall be hosting a skirt class where you should learn how to draft a basic skirt block, how to alter your basic skirt block to create an A-line skirt, how to manipulate your data, how to create volume, how to manipulate your fabric to create gathers, and ultimately how to create this tiered skirt. This class is strictly for beginners. If you're interested, do send a WhatsApp message to this number to be added to our WhatsApp. Next, we're going to open it up wider than what we have, like this, and draw a straight line, and then we'll slash it so that we're getting somewhere. We're going to measure the shoulder, and that's after creating the neckline, the new shoulder, from this point to this point. Draw a straight line like so, and then you slash, and this is it. Okay, next thing we're going to do is to spread our piece. Brown paper under, and then now it's time for me to spread my piece. To do that, I would hold this in place first, and this in place. Measure 11 inches at this point, and just, you now bring the bottom piece, and then you match it like so. You spread it as well, and you match it like this, and this is our finished pattern. This is our armhole, and this is our neckline. A twist from this area, your hip area, and that's it. That's after cutting 2 of this. You join this part here to this part like so. After joining, you're going to have a hole wherein you put the second piece of this and bring it out. The fabric that is ideal for this style is a jersey fabric or any fabric that is stretchy. See you in the next video.